you roll two 6-sided dice, probability that the sum is less than 11. Okay, whenever they ask you sum is less than 11, you can find probability that the sum will be 11, and you can subtract that from the 1. Okay, but one catch, you have to find probability that the sum is greater than or equal to 11 and then subtract that, because I will explain you in a second. So whenever they said probability that the sum is less than 11, that means there is three combinations. One is 6 5, one is 5 6, both of them will be equal to 11, but there is also a third one, 6 6. When the dice both of them roll 6 6, it will be 12. 12 is also greater than 11. So the question is asking probability that the sum will be less than 11. So that will be not two different ways, that will be three different ways. Easy way to get you out. Okay, so there is a 36 different ways to do this. The dice can roll as 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 1 7. Sorry, no 1 7. Or 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3 4. If you write them as two rows, there is 36 different combinations of this dice, out of which 3 are unfit, 6 5, 5 6 and 6 6. Okay, so three different ways that you can get it wrong, and that means there is 33 different ways you can get it right. So the right probability will be 33 divided by 36. That is going to be 11 by 12. Okay, that will be your answer. Okay, other way to do it is, first you find probability that it is greater than or equal to 11, that will be 3 divided by 36. Okay, then you subtract that from 1. 1 minus 3 by 36, that is going to also give you 11 by 12. Those are two different ways to solve the same answer.